about taking this thing to Pittsburgh tonight. Take it through the tunnels, get some sound clips. We need to get this thing fixed up. I hit a deer, just haven't done anything with it yet.
Alright guys, we're out in Pittsburgh looking for some people to run around with, you know, do some pulls, and we're out here in Brendan's Jeep.
Just having some fun.
Having some fun, and we're coming up to the tunnels, and he's got this new exhaust. We want to see how it sounds up here. That sounds wild. I wish you could go faster so we could really get some noise.
Should I get over and get stuff yellow?
I don't know what's behind us. Popcorn?
Hell yeah.
Alright guys, we're out here in the burn. Hopefully we find some cars.
Which way you wanna go?
I don't know, whichever way. Alright guys, we'll catch you if we find any cars or on our way back out. Going past Heinz Field, baby!
The roads in Pittsburgh are so confusing.
They're horrible.
It's beautiful, but, I mean, I guess you can say it's beautiful. But the roads are just horrible.
There's a lot of lights, if that's what you call beautiful.
Yeah, it's just cool, I guess, getting
out of the woods.
Yeah, being in the middle of nowhere and getting out to see something different.
Ain't nothing wrong with living out BFE, man.
Nah. That was a girl.
What was it?
Yeah. Wait, is this 2 lanes too?
I don't know, man.
I hate Pittsburgh so bad.
Man.
That's an Uber.
Ready to do it again?
Should I do it still? Whoops!
Yeah, Jeep life. Alright guys, we're on our way back out. And, GPS couldn't find another way, so we have to go right back through East Carson Street, where Brendan was just making all kinds of racket. Breaking everybody's necks.
I'm trying to miss.
I missed the one. I was in the moment. We were having fun, laughing, and I missed a good one. There was a bunch of people, and literally every single person just like snapped their necks, and it was probably the best thing ever. Especially considering like we're in a Jeep right now. Like, the hell.
It's a fucking race Jeep, bro!
What did you say? What did he say to you?
It's got some horsepower!
Stalking spunk. Oh, man, the good exhaust, it's just like, it's the cheap way of people thinking you got mad power, dog. Oh my god. That was, dude, what if I had the Volvo on here? Dude, I thought that was a cop and you just, you just did that. I was like, Brendan, what are you doing? Hey, right there's that pub. Is that a pub? What is that? Everybody's going too slow.
I know. What the hell? What is this?
Pittsburgh. Oh, that's a cop right there, bro. Oh my god. You just got lucky, homie.
What?
You just got lucky.
What do you mean?
You were about to smack limiter and the cop was standing right there.
I didn't see a cop.
He was standing there.
No, I didn't see him.
What was
I don't know. This dude's drunk as a skunk.
The one driving?
No, right back there walking.
Oh, I didn't even look.
We should probably get out of here now.
Sounds so good.
After a week of this, I love it. It's a little drony, but it's not too bad. Yeah. Oh yeah. Found out my Jeep is 420 over with Keith Black pistons. I talked to the previous owner's ex-husband, and he said that at 500 miles, his Jeep and this Jeep started to wrap. So in the dealership, instead of replacing the whole motor, they just bored it out, put the pistons in, and that makes sense.